Hey everybody, it's Holly from Baby Gizmo, and today I want to introduce you to the new Britax Premium Collection featuring Nanotex. Now this collection is something I think you really need to know about because kids are messy. Spills happen, and this is going to make cleaning up spills so much easier. Now, Nanotex is the fabric that is used on these, and it resists moisture, odor, and stains. And I'm telling you, I've never seen anything like it. It's so fantastic. So let's say your kid is in the car seat or even the stroller, and maybe they spill something, they have an accident, they get sick. That's really hard to clean up a lot of times, but not with the Nanotex fabric. Now let me just show you right here how cool it is. Now, first of all, the Nanotex changes the fibers of the fabric on a molecular level so it permanently resists stains and spills. Now, I'm gonna come close to you and I'm gonna show you how it works. Now, this is the fabric and this is grape soda. Not that you would have grape soda on your car seat, but let me just show you what happens when grape soda, do you see that it just sits on top? It just beads up. It doesn't soak in. Like I said, it resists moisture and it all just rolls right off. It's so crazy. Roll right off. You dab it like that and it's gone. Plus there's no odor. So like I said, when your kid gets sick, unfortunately, in their car seat or their stroller, you just wipe it up and it's gone and you don't even have the smell. It takes the smell away too. Plus, I love the fact that this, if let's say you have an accident or the child gets sick and you have to leave it set for a little while for whatever reason, you can still clean it up if it is dry. All you need to do is a little solution of mild detergent and about a cup of water, so a half a teaspoon of mild detergent like Draft and a cup of water, and then just wipe it clean. It comes right off. Super easy for cleaning up these accidents and messes. So let me show you which products this Nanotex comes on. Now, first of all, we have the Britax Be Safe Ultra. This is a great infant car seat, great for transporting your baby, becomes a travel system when you pair it with a Britax stroller. Fantastic, and you're gonna find the Nanotex fabric on the boot and on the canopy and on the inside of the seat. Another feature of these premium collection products is they have leatherette accents. So right here on the boot, you see a leatherette, and there's some leatherette piping over here. You're also going to find in the collection, this is the Boulevard Click-Tight ARB, which is it comes with the anti-rebound bar. This is a convertible car seat that can be rear-facing and then convert to forward-facing. You're also going to have that Nanotex fabric, all the gray. That is the Nanotex fabric, and again, the leatherette piping adds a nice kind of upscale feel, if you will. Now, let's go to this one here. This is the Frontier. Keeps your kid in a 5-point harness longer. It features all that gray. That is the Nanotex fabric. And then you have the brand new High Point. Now, this High Point is a belt positioning booster. This is after your child outgrows a 5-point harness, you can go to the High Point. Again, all of the gray is the Nanotex fabric, so makes cleaning up spills and messes so much easier. And they also have a stroller that features the Nanotex, and that is the Be Ready G3, which is the 3rd generation of the Be Ready. And on the Be Ready, you have the Nanotex on the canopy, the seat, down there by the footwell, and on the basket, because let's be honest, spills can happen in the basket too. And think about this, if you're walking, you might accidentally trip and you spill something on your canopy. That's why they put it on the canopy. I think it's brilliant. So this is the entire collection. I will put a link to all of the retail prices so that you know how much everything is. It is exclusive to Brixie retailers. So if you want to check out this collection and you want to purchase one of them, Brixie retailers is where you're going to get it. It's an exclusive, and I think it's fantastic. And if you want to know which retails that are, just go to Brixie.com. Again, this is the Britax Premium Collection. Let's just show you one more time before I let you go. This Nanotex, look at that, Nanotex. It just rolls around. It doesn't absorb. It resists stains, moisture, and odor. It's gone. I know, right? You're like, it's so cool. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, there'll be a link in the description below. Please leave me a comment. What do you think about the Nanotex? I think it's pretty awesome, right? Leave me a comment down below and I'll talk to you later. I'm Holly from Baby Gizmo. Bye guys.